Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Are you looking for extra warm socks for this winter? SAMSOX has these super warm, high quality merino wool socks. I got them for my husband because they have an extra large size. He wears a size 15 and the extra large fits him just fine. I love these because his feet get really cold in the winter, and so I know that the merino wool blend will keep his feet warm. I also love that merino wool has nice antibacterial properties so that his socks stay nice and fresh. These things are so thick and they have so much cushion to them. There's even a nice little arch support area around where your arch is to give you extra comfort. They're an extra tall crew sock, which is nice so when he wears his boots, he doesn't have to worry about the back rubbing up against his leg. The socks go above his boots. I highly recommend them for anyone who is going to be outside for a long extended period of time or anyone who needs extra warm socks all through winter. But that's just my point of view.